I'm Vasha, owner of 790. If you're new here, welcome cousin, and if you're returning, hey fam. Today we're bottling up the smell of warm, fresh baked chocolate chip cookies, but instead of eating them, you'll be able to spray this cozy scent around your home. I'll start with Polysorbate 20. This helps blend the fragrance evenly with the base so that the scent sprays perfectly every single time. Next, I pour in the rich, sweet chocolate chip cookie fragrance oil. It smells like fresh baked cookies, buttery dough, melted chocolate, and a touch of vanilla. I need to thoroughly mix the fragrance oil and polysorbate to ensure that this mixture will evenly disperse into the water base. Finally, I'm blending the fragrance with a professional grade base that's safe for linen, fabrics, rooms, and even your skin. And that's it. chocolate chip cookies in a bottle. If you love bakery scents, you'll want this one in your home. You can shop this and more cozy scents at 790.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more behind the scenes.